Now, the appraisal side of the FHA loan is a little different too. So for one, when it comes to FHA loan purchases, you cannot waive the appraisal. Conventional loans, sometimes you get lucky and get away with that. FHA loans, you have to get an appraisal no matter what. And also, if you're taking out cash on a refinance, you have to get an appraisal done. Now, there is one caveat. If you're doing an FHA refinance and you're not able to refinance into a conventional loan, you're just gonna do another FHA refinance. If you're only lowering your rate and payment, not taking any cash out, you can do something called an FHA streamline, which basically allows you to do the refinance without getting an appraisal done. But that's the only situation you can get away with that when you're using an FHA loan. On top of that too, the appraisal is a little stricter. On the conventional loan side, they don't care too much about minor things on the house. Unless there's a major issue, major damage, any appraiser is gonna call that out. But with FHA, they're a little stricter. It's the federal government, right? So if you have chipping and peeling paint, they're probably gonna ask you to fix that, paint it up. If you have railings that are broken or bent, or if there seems unsafe, they're gonna ask you to fix little things like that. So if you are gonna use an FHA loan, just evaluate your house and look for any things that could be of danger in the eyes of the federal government, or just anything that might need to be fixed, chipped and peeling paint, things like that. They will require you to fix those, but it's just part of doing business with the FHA. It's not a huge deal, but they are a little stricter when it comes to that. Another big difference is that the FHA charges what's called an upfront mortgage insurance premium. And really all that is a big word for saying they charge 1.75% of your loan amount as a fee. So that's one of the other things when it comes to FHA loans. If you qualify for conventional, I'm always gonna advise you to go that route, because with an FHA loan, you're gonna pay an additional fee just because you're using the Federal Housing Administration. Just because you're using the government to do that loan, they're gonna charge you 1.75% of the loan amount when you're purchasing a home. So once again, ideally, whenever we look at your situation and we're pre-qualifying you for a purchase, I'm always gonna see if you qualify for conventional first, unless you tell me otherwise because of the lower down payment, just to save you some more money so you don't have to pay that additional fee and you don't have to worry about the mortgage insurance ever falling off.